Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 2nd till the 8th of Feb 2026 for Leos. Okay, Sun Moon Venus rising. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. And if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, let's see the overall energy for Leo people for this week for their love and relationship area. We have Two of Swords, Eight of Cups, Seven of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Wands. Okay, you guys are totally messed up when it comes to your love and relationship area. Your mind is continuously taking over your heart. You guys are trying to walk away from everything that's not making sense to you, where you are feeling blocked, where you're not feeling you're not able to move forward. And you guys are definitely trying to walk away from everything deceptive or everyone deceptive in your life because you have had it enough, right? And bottom of the deck is a Queen of Wands. You guys are trying your best to bring all of your focus on yourself, your money, your job, your career, but most importantly, your happiness, right? Whatever brings you happiness. So you guys are trying your best to walk away from everything or everyone deceptive and trying to focus on yourself. That's your overall energy for this week. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Leo. Ace of Wow. Ace of Wands. This is someone who is very physically attracted to you. They feel a strong pull towards you, strong attraction, strong desire towards you. It can be a totally new person. This can be a totally new person feeling this kind of pull or attraction towards you, or somebody who is feeling like starting this connection all over again between you and them, but they're super excited about it, right? Let's clarify the Ace of Wands here as their feelings for you, Leo. We have the Justice, the Two of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, so this person is feeling like they're coming out of a fresh breakup or separation or something, and or you are coming out of one. So this person is feeling like it should be it's wiser and it's actually a good thing for them to come forward towards you for a brand new beginning, for a brand new opportunity. So you are just freshly coming out of a relationship, and or the person that you're dealing with, they are, or both of you at some point of time had some kind of breakup thing with other people. Now you guys are coming together, but this person is feeling like they should come forward with all of their heart and soul and desire and attraction and whatnot. So they feel very attracted to the idea of starting this chapter all over again with you, and or either restarting this chapter all over again with you, or starting this chapter with you, whosoever it is. You know better than me, right? Whosoever you're dealing with, they feel like this is the right thing to do and they're moving in the right direction. So basically this person is feeling like you might be the one for them, and they're very excited about this beginning or brand new beginning, start or restart, whatever it is. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Three of Wands. So from your side, you feel like keep moving forward no matter what, not looking back. You feel like looking for better opportunities, better people, better situations, better connections. For some of you, you guys are planning to move to a different city, different country, maybe. Let's clarify right now, or maybe you guys are traveling right now. Let's see, let's clarify the Three of Wands. But whatever it is, you feel like you are completely out of a situation, slightly still connected, like only 10%, but mostly out of a situation, and you're looking for forward to have better opportunities in your life, in your love and relationship area. Let's clarify. We have the Nine of Wands, Five of Cups, and the King of Wands, right? You guys are feeling like you should keep your guards up, and you should not allow anyone to enter in your space and hurt you or do anything with you that is going to lead to any kind of disappointment or disappointments in the coming future. And you definitely feel like moving forward towards the direction of your growth and expansion and happiness. Okay, so you feel like fuck this shit, no matter what happened, I'm not going to let this shitty experiences of my life slow me down. I'm going to keep moving forward, and I'm going to do whatever the hell I feel like I should be doing to make myself happy, to make my life beautiful. Okay, so you are taking all of these things as experiences only, not your life. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Leo. Page of Cups. This is someone who wants to come forward towards you with innocent energies, right? This person wants to keep their heart open, although, like, they are curious. They are curious. This is not stable love. They do have emotions, they do have a pull towards you, and they are curious. They want to come forward towards you with fresh energies, okay? Curious energies. For some of you, it can be some kind of communication or maybe some kind of apology that they want to give to you, if that's the case. Let's clarify the Page of Cups here as their intentions. We have the Seven of Cups, the High Priestess, the Star card, right? See, this person doesn't know actually what they want from you. They don't have any freaking idea about what they want from you, right? So they don't want to come forward towards you with this confused and all over the place kind of energy, but they want to make sure that you know that right now it's just the start of something brand new. They want to remain open and optimistic and positive about the idea of moving forward with you and seeing where things can land, like naturally and organically. Okay, so somebody wants to come forward towards you with an open heart, with this energy of, okay, let's see where things can go, because they don't want to look like they are all over the place or they are emotionally overwhelmed, because they know if they are going to come forward some with some kind of serious energies, you might not take them in. First thing. And second thing, because they don't know where this can land, they want to remain optimistic and open to the idea of let's see where it goes naturally and organically without forcing both of us to do something about it. Yeah, on a serious note. Like force something to happen. That's the real thing. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Ten of Swords. Wow. You just want to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay. Whatever the hell happened in your love and relationship area, you just want to get out of all the betrayals, all the negativities, all the not so good energies, not so good vibes, not so good experiences, and you just want to get up now and definitely want to see the light at the end of the tunnel and start moving forward. You don't want to remain in this kind of painful energy for the rest of your life. Okay, the good thing here is, Leo, you guys are taking all of this as the experience of your life, not life itself. And that is there's a huge difference between these two, and you guys are able to understand that on a deeper level, and that's very magical. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords here as your intentions. We have Eight of Wands, Queen of Cups, Eight of Swords, right? So you want to like be very very honest with yourself and very very honest with the person that you are going to connect with next, or if you're already connected to someone, you want to be very very open and honest with them. You want to have back and forth communication. You want to tell them your expectations, your feelings, your energies. You want to reveal everything from your side to them. You don't want to create any kind of mental jail kind of situation or overthinking kind of situation, because you have gone through the same kind of energies before as well, where maybe you were trying to do certain things in a different way and the other person was taking it in a negative way. Now you want to keep things very crystal clear between you and the person that you are going to connect with next, or already connected to, so that there is no room for any kind of misunderstanding, any kind of overthinking, any kind of creating negativity or negative scenarios in your head or theirs. That's a really cool energy, and you want to move forward with with this thought that whatever happened was the experience of my life, and whatever is going to happen next, I'm going to create it consciously. Awesome, awesome energy, Virgo. Leo, sorry, I don't know. Leo and Virgo energy, I'm always getting confused. Might be you're connected with a Virgo, or you have Virgo in your chart somewhere. Like Virgo energy, you know, influences you a lot. Might be not mandatory for every one of you. Okay, Leo. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, honey, till the 8th of Feb 2026. The lovers, okay, there is going to be a strong connection, there is going to be a strong bond, but there is definitely going to be a choice or decision that you guys have to make regarding that situation, because one of you is fully in the situation, one of you is kind of distracted by multiple things in their life. That's why you guys have to make a choice or decision in this department regarding a particular situation. Let's clarify the lovers here as the potential outcome. We have the two of wands and the temperance and the page of wands. Okay, so both of you are going to be very very patient regarding the situation, regarding where things can go. Both of you are going to keep things very very casual, very very friendly, very very open, happy go lucky, and both of you will be waiting for the time when you guys will be able to make a final choice or decision in this department, in this dynamics. So I think it's a mutual and conscious decision that both of you are right now not focused on making this situation maybe very complicated, not complicated, sorry, very serious or official, or both of you are like, okay, we have a certain pull, we have a certain attraction, we have passion for each other, but right now our priorities are totally different, or right now I just don't want to like put a tag on this. So you guys will be very patiently waiting for the time when you guys will be able to make this situation go in a certain direction, in a certain way. But for the time being, both of you are consciously making this choice or decision of keeping things friendly, keeping things casual, keeping things fun loving, and not so serious. Why so serious kind of a thing, right? So, and it's a good thing actually, because it's happening from both the sides. Maybe the intensity is going to be a little bit up or down. One of you is a little bit more invested in the situation, and one of you is not, but eventually both of you are coming on the same page of, okay, let's keep it casual, let's keep it flowing, and let's see what can happen. That's really good thing. It's a, because it's a conscious decision, it's a conscious choice that makes it really very beautiful and meaningful, this decision or choice of yours for both of you. One of you might not like the idea at the first, but eventually they will catch up. This is good. This is good. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Leo, for the situation for this week. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Four of Cups. Taking things slow in this dynamics is actually a really very very good idea, because you guys are, actually not, I'm not getting the exact word here, Leo, but you guys are actually making things very very beautiful and meaningful for you by taking it slow, letting it happen, letting it unfold naturally and organically. This is giving you more and more clarity and understanding of what this situation is going to be, and if it is going to lead to any kind of disappointment, you guys are not going to be that much disappointed, because it's a conscious choice. Okay, it's not a guidance today, it's just a confirmation from the universe's side that whatever you are doing in this dynamics is actually working out in your favor. You are learning how to grow slow but sure. Okay, how to not to land into disappointments without awareness. So even if you are going to be disappointed at the end of this thing, this is not going to hurt you this much badly the way it used to hurt you before, because this time it's a conscious choice, this time it's a conscious decision, deliberate choice and decision, and it's going to give you more and more strength and power and happiness at the end of the day. So it's really good, just a confirmation that you're on the right track, you're doing the right thing, and just keep going. Make sure you are going to uh, be in this energy, you are going to stay in this energy, right? Cool. Cool. Let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate, Leo. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just leave this portion, because, of course, this is also not for every one of you. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and then pause whenever you feel like. And let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds now, and your time starts now. Yeah, it's 15 now. Answer is go. The time is right. See, you're already going in the right direction, but I don't know where to go. Just go. Run. Where is the answer in this book? Yeah, when you receive this card, it is encouraging you to take action now. There's no time like this present moment. Seize the moment. You're already doing that. Just a confirmation again from the universe's side. Cool. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.